Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to our channel. This is the Desi Show. This is the Desi Glam Life Show. This is my favorite show. Yeah. So, I have something so freaking cool to review with you guys today. Something I'm so excited about. Okay, let me tell you this first. Little backstory. I've seen this product many times before. It's been out for a little while now in other forms, other versions, other brands. But I never wanted to review it because to me, or even try it, because to me I was like, that is so gimmicky and so lame. What is that you're talking about? That I'm talking about? It is, oh, one fell. The magnetic eyelashes, okay? Well, Ardell came out with their own magnetic lashes, and they're in the double demi wispies. And I was like, okay, they're $13. First of all, I picked these up at Walgreens for $13. And I was like, oh my gosh, for that price, and they're right there, I've got to try them. I have got to try them. And I was like, should I? No, these are so gimmicky. Like, what the hell? Well, that's what we're doing today, which is why I have no eyelashes on and why I have no eyelashes. But I do have this nice, cool red eyeshadow that is in the 350 palette that I've never really used, and I really like it. I must say, I dig it. So yeah, that's what we are going to be trying out today. I'm so excited, you guys. So it's not going to be a very long video, which is rare for me because we all know my videos are so long. But it's going to be a fun one. I love trying out new stuff and new products, and I definitely want to do more crazy stuff like this, and find the weird gimmicky stuff and see if it really works. But I know that what's her name already does that, so we're not going to copy that. One thing before we get into trying out these really cool magnet lashes by Ardell is the giveaway. The giveaway is going on right now. So you are going to want to click down in the description box after the video, of course. Don't do it now. Not yet. You can wait a few more minutes, and then you can click down in the description box to the little hyperlink next to the word giveaway and get all your entries in, because right now the giveaway, oh, I don't have it in front of me, for the bundle right now, there is the Clinique Chubby Lipsticks. It's a 3-pack. The winner will also win a ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. This one's mine, not yours, but this is the palette. It's got tons of mattes and shimmers. Love this palette. Super pigmented. And it's got a 5-pack of liquid lipsticks from JLB. They're stunning liquid lipsticks. And then it's also including the Physicians Formula Mosaic Bronzer, Blush, and eyeshadow palette. Depending on when this goes up, like I said, every 20 subscribers during the giveaway, I'm adding another product to the bundle. So I don't know where we're at now. If we did gain another one, I'll cut in what the next item that's going to be added is. So if we do hit 440 by the time this goes up on Friday, then I'll splice that in right there. But if not, we're just going to move on and go ahead and try the lashes, and we'll wait till we hit 440 for me to slice that in. So let's get into the video. Okay, first of all, it says easy to apply, no adhesive needed, reusable, and I totally dig that. And I really do think that because there's no glue involved, I think that these would last a lot longer than normal lashes, because that's what kills my lashes. Like the ones that have the thicker bands, like these mink ones, these tend to last a lot longer, which is why they're a little more expensive, because you're able to kind of take the nasty glue off and it doesn't get all crunchy and nasty and all that. Like, this pack of wispies will last me like maybe a couple uses each. I definitely use them way past their expiration date, way past. Some of them be looking crunchy as hell. So I think with not having to use glue, these will last a lot longer. At least I'm hoping they will last a lot longer at $13 a pair. Which in the grand scheme is not bad, but these are Ardell lashes we are talking about. I don't pay $13 for Ardell lashes. Okay, okay. So it has the ones that you put on top. They have to be specific because magnets, this one's falling. Magnets are, you know, there's a male and female to magnets, and so the ones that go on top have to go on top for the ones to connect. So you have to put these first and then these second. So let's go ahead and see how easy these are to put on. So here is the ones that we put on top. I think I need a mirror for this. Hold on one moment. Okay. So I got my little handy dandy mirror. So what I'm going to do is lay this right on top and hope I get it close enough to the lash line. Oh, cool. It actually, oh, you know what's nice? Because there is another set I'm putting on. It's like wearing 2 sets of lashes because this really is like the thickness of my regular wispies. So now, oh, it already stuck. It already stuck. Oh, it went for it. Wait, this one's not working. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's try this again. I swear this should be easier, I would think. Oh wait, let's move this over just a tad. I like my lashes a little more towards the corner. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. Oh wait, hold on. I don't have them right. Oh! Why isn't it working this time around? Okay, I think I got it now, you guys. Do I got it? Do I got it? No, I don't like the way that looks. Okay, let's try this again. One more time. One more time. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take this one and put it right on the top of Rooney. And one thing I think that would help is kind of setting them, like kind of standing up a little bit so that the magnet kind of catches. So make sure that the magnets are sitting nice and down into the lashes. And then, oop, yep, there we go. It caught right on this time. Okay, that time was a little bit easier. They're really comfortable and they look really good, actually, you guys. Look up close. That looks really nice. And then I guess you can go ahead and situate them from there and like push them a little closer. And the magnets do feel really tight. It does say to put on a coat of mascara first, so that way the lashes kind of have something to sit on and grip onto. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the other ones. And I've actually heard from girls that have tried them that after you kind of get the hang of it, it's really easy and you just kind of snap them on really quick. So let's go ahead and try it on this side. This may not be a bad invention, you guys. I really thought that this was stupid, but I'm kind of digging it. I was like, dear Lord, please don't let these magnet lashes catch on, because my stupid self is not going to be able to get this. Okay, that one was a fail. Okay, let's try this one again. Let's move this one a little bit more. I think once you get the placement of the top one right, the bottom one's the easy part. That one just slaps on to it. It's just getting this one to stay. Come on, come on, come on. Ugh. Okay, this one's not as easy. This one's my crippled eye. There we go. I think I got it. Okay. Are they on? Are they on? Ugh, that one's kind of my eye. There we go. Okay, I think I need to move this one in a little bit more, but it's on. Do you guys like it? Let me see. Yeah, I think that one needs to move in a little bit more. But it's really cool. You know, I wasn't really digging this whole magnet lash thing when I first saw it. But now that I have them on, they are actually pretty darn comfortable, you guys. Like, they really, truly are. And if there's going to be no lifting, so that's a bonus. Yeah, that's the one thing I really, really like about these. Normally when you've been wearing lashes all day or night, and especially people like me, my eyes water really, really bad. And so with my eyes watering, I get lifting quite a bit in the corners and irritation. And these are so comfortable, you guys. I don't feel like any irritation, and I feel like they look a lot more natural because they're right up underneath here and they're like over your lashes, so you don't have those weird lines that you would normally get with lashes. I really like this. Okay, Desiree is now Team Magnetic Lash, you guys. I totally recommend them. Like I said, I got these at Walgreens for $13. And they're super easy. So the second they start lifting, you guys, take them off and reapply them. Super simple. No glue needed. So you're not sitting there all gluing it in weird places. I got the hang of slapping on glued lashes. But these are even easier. So I recommend these. If false lashes are not your thing and you have an issue with the glue and trying to get them on perfect, I think these would be a lot easier. There's no mess, no fuss, and these Ardell ones look nice. They're nice and thick. Do you guys dig them? I'm going to take this out so you guys can see a little closer. Okay, so there it is up close, and oh my goodness, I totally love it. I especially love that there's no like weird bands, like you can't see them. It's awesome. Super duper awesome. Okay, well, Ardell Magnet Lashes get 2 thumbs up by me. These are Desi Glam Life approved. Highly recommend them. Go try them out. Pick them up. They're not just by Ardell. You can find them anywhere. I know a lot of places sell magnetic lashes now. Pick a pair up, try them out, see how you like them, because I totally love them, and now I'm going to go buy them in a bunch of different styles because these may be the greatest invention ever. Now, if we can create a magnet eyebrow, that would be great. So whoever comes out with that, let me try it out, okay? Okay. Well, I hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will see you guys Sunday. Don't forget to get all your entries in. I don't mean to sound like a parrot and repeat everything, but make sure you're entered. You guys have until February 2nd to get all your entries in, and the winner will be drawn on February 4th. So you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you Sunday. Bye!